Let's get started. Grate ginger and garlic. Put chicken in a plastic Ziploc. Add grated garlic and grated ginger. Add 2.5 to 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons sake. Sake makes the meat tender. Mix well and massage the chicken to absorb the sauce. Set aside for 10 to 30 minutes. Here are the tips for a crunchy and juicy karaage. First, the 40 and 60 ratio. 40% for flour at 2 tablespoons and 60% for cornstarch at 3 tablespoons. Massage well to coat the chicken evenly. Let's prepare the coating. 2 tablespoons cornstarch and 1 tablespoon flour. Mix well. Coat chicken with mixture. Tip number 2 for a crunchy and juicy karaage. The 2-time deep frying. Deep fry at 170 degrees Celsius. Deep fry on both sides for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove chicken from heat to keep its surface from burning. Let karaage rest for about 3 minutes on the fry rack. This is to allow the heat spread inside the meat for a juicy texture and taste. Meanwhile, increase the heat to 180 Celsius. Then put back the chicken and fry for 1 minute. It's done! देखिए आगरी. Put on a dish, garnish with vegetables, and serve hot. It's ready! O tsukiyai itadaki arigatou gozaimashita. Thanks for watching. また会いましょう. See you!